What's up, guys? It's your girl Brie Michelle back with another video. This is my daily night clean routine, so things that I do on a daily at night before I go to bed. Now, this right here is not something I do every night. Obviously, I just had tons and tons of laundry that I needed to fold it, so I just decided to do it in this video. But as you guys know, I go ahead and jump right in. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And definitely hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload from me.
It's RSN.
So now I'm just about to wash up a few dishes I had. I made chili last night while I let it cook overnight. So I've been munching on that pretty much all day. So I'm just going to clean up the dishes that I've been using throughout the day. So I do sweep my floor every day, or at least every other day, because I do have dogs, and I don't know, just dirt seems to track through, and I just like a clean floor, so I do sweep my floor every day or every other day. And then I don't wipe down the handles every day. Now, I do it every other day or every 2 days. I do wipe it down, but I just wanted to show it in this video, and it was time to actually wipe it down. And so I decided to work in the living room today. Listen, I work in every room in my house but my office most of the time. Like, I don't know. I just prefer to work either in the living room or my bedroom. But I worked in the living room today, so I'm just gathering up all my work supplies and putting it up. Just wiping off the remotes and the light switches. But that completes the end of this video, you guys. So my daily night routine takes me less than 10 minutes to complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.